Hi Anand,
Hi, hi.
how
How are
are you?
you?
I'm doing great. How are you doing?
Yes, I'm doing good.
So you are not wearing sweater. Is it hot there? What is the temperature over there?
Right now it is 21 degrees Celsius. Yeah, from couple of days it is getting hotter, and I hope that winter is going to end because we are fed up
You
with
are
it.
fed up of you are fed up of
Yeah,
it. Are you
yeah.
seriously waiting for summer?
Actually, what happens in winter, we have to, live under blanket, and I don't like it. I'm kind of person who want to be free. I want to move. I want to roam. So in winter, I have to, especially wear all these things that I
In
don't
winter,
want to
if you
wear.
bound to just stay in the blanket, still you can go outside, just wear a jacket and you can go outside. It doesn't mean it's winter, then you have to live in your blanket. It doesn't mean.
This year, winter is too long here, and it started from
I
early
don't
of
think so.
November. Yeah, it started from early of November, and still it is going on. So that is why we are a little bit fed up with it. Okay, but everything else is fine. And you know what happens when winter live for a long time? Then if summer comes, we enjoy it. Okay, because we have a habit to change something every day, get
Same
changing.
kind of weather. Hmm.
Yeah.
No, I don't like summer actually because I feel like the hot sun and all that thing. It seriously irritates me. I enjoy winters more than summer. So I
As
hope
far
that winter stress little bit more. I don't like to summer come so soon. I want to avoid summer actually.
I mean, there is no dislike and like for me, but if I want to change the season. Okay, if it keep changing, I love it, I enjoy it.
Definitely we enjoy, but when summer becomes extreme, like 45 degrees Celsius, and that is extreme. I seriously get irritated with that. It's very,
Nobody
you
can
know,
like it.
yeah.
Who will like the 45 degrees Celsius? Okay, nobody
I
like
can
it.
see the extreme winter, but I cannot stay in the extreme summer hot season.
Yes. Yeah,
Yeah,
even
yeah.
I.
So how all the things are going on with you? What about your channel and everything?
Yeah, my channel is doing good, everything is good. Okay, I'm doing good. So yeah.
Yeah. The
Yeah,
question?
yeah. So today I want to, discuss about aging, you know. Uh,
Aging
so
process.
yeah,
Okay.
aging process. So what happens actually? We don't want to be, you know, we don't want to grow old. We want to be
Nobody expect.
child. Yeah, no, nobody want to grow old. Everybody want to be child or young. Okay,
Yeah.
especially when people are child, they want to be young, and when they get young, they want to be child.
Then
Okay,
they
it
want
is
to be child they want to be a child again. I know
agree.
that.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
what is your view on aging?
See, I think that aging is a natural process, okay, of getting aged and getting old. So it's natural. Everybody becomes old, and they, after a certain age, certain period of time, everybody becomes old. But I think if I see it uh, according to the society, okay, like I think the old age is the most avoidable situation of a man, okay. In this age, people start avoiding you because you are physically weak. Sometimes it happens that your own children treat you as a like a useless object in your house. They think that the old parents are an unnecessary burden over their uh, shoulders, so they just leave them in old age house and all the places where they just want to get rid of their parents from their head. So I think that that is a horrible situation. Otherwise, if I see according to my point of view, it is a natural process and everybody has to go through with the old age. So aging is a natural process, we cannot stay all the lifelong like beautiful and young. There would be a certain time then when we have to face this situation. If I talk about myself, yeah, I'm also afraid of my old age, and I think everybody does the same. Everybody is afraid of their old age, but we have to go through. What is your opinion about it? What do you say?
My opinion, of course, aging is a natural phenomena, and if you wish or don't, it will happen. Okay, nobody can
Definitely.
stop it. Yeah, nobody can stop it. So I never bother about to grow old, because I know it is natural phenomena and it will happen. And something which will happen tomorrow, you must think that it has happened because it will anyway occur. So I think it is wisdom to not be bothered about it, just enjoy the moment where I
Mm-hmm.
am right now. Yeah. So I never bother about aging or something. Even such thought never comes in my mind that I'm aging and something like that. Ask you a few questions. So what do you think is the perfect age? I mean, what is the perfect age in which you would like to live for whole life?
Definitely, I think it would be for everyone. Everybody
Yeah.
must be like their childhood. So say, so I do. I also
Mm.
like my childhood. I just always want to stay in my childhood because that is the stage where we do not think much about the society and everything. We are just carefree all the time because we know that there is someone always who can take care of us, about our parents. So our parents always take care of us, and we don't do not think about the earning and about a career, anything. So childhood is the only stage where one can enjoy and one can stay without any anxiety and worries. This is the carefree stage of our life. So I enjoyed my childhood a lot.
But you told one thing, that everybody would like to be child and they like this
So
age.
because this is
But
the stage where we are carefree, okay? We do not have to think anything. We just
yeah,
enjoy playing and making friends and everything.
yeah, it is the truth. But I think lots of people like to be remain young for forever, because youth, youthhood is also something that lots of people like, because in
That
youthhood
that is
they
also.
can enjoy lots of things that they can't enjoy in childhood. So I agree with you that you are saying everybody will like to be child, but I think, yeah, there is lots of people who want to be young and who want to remain young for whole life,
Definitely, it
but
varies
nobody want to
person.
grow old.
Yeah, definitely for sure. Nobody wants to be old.
Yeah.
Definitely.
The kind of thing I want to do, I'm doing. That is just enjoy. I don't have idea that something special will happen. Then I will say I'm enjoying. Okay, right now if I'm happy, I'm doing the thing that I want to do. Just that is enjoyment for me.
But I think childhood is the most carefree.
Of course. So, of course. So, what do you think about age? Uh, does it affect you, or just you think it is a number? It does not affect you.
No, age doesn't affect me actually because age is just a number. If we are mentally strong and we enjoy every moment of our life, then age doesn't matter. It's just a number. It is bitter truth that we become physically weak in our old age. But if we are mentally strong and we want to enjoy our life, then we can enjoy in that state, in that particular stage also, I think. So
Of
age is just
course.
a number.
I agree with you. Sometimes you can see that old man can climb a mountain, but young cannot even lift a. I don't know what will happen after this moment. So I never think about these things. This is useless thing to think about old age. Okay, so I
No,
enjoy
there
in
would
the
be
moment.
something like what would you be prefer? Like you would you like to stay with your children, or you would like to stay away from them in any old age home or that kind of home, or what is your preference? What do you
I
think?
told you that never such a thought come in my mind. Even I'm not thinking about when I'm going to get married. So where does the children and lots of things is coming in my mind.
But
Yeah.
it gonna be happen at least in one day. It gonna be happen one day.
I don't know it will happen or not. You can't predict about it, okay? Even I can't predict about. I have to marry, and you are predicting about it, okay? So I can
I'm
only know.
saying that
You
yeah,
are talking
it's
about on the
mandatory.
standard of society, but I am kind of person who don't go with
No, I'm
society.
saying that it's mandatory to getting married. But I'm just saying you a general question because usually it happens. Everybody gets married. So I'm just asking a general question.
To be
I'm not
honest,
saying that.
I don't have any thought about my old age. Okay, I haven't imagined how I would be looking, and like
Haven't you ever been fallen in love with anyone?
I have, yeah, I have been in love with so many things, not only a girl. Okay, and
But
still I'm in love with. Yes.
I'm asking about a girl because you have to marry with a girl, not with objects.
Okay. No, people can even marry with object nowadays, but not. I'm
Oh,
not
that
a
is
kind of
ridiculous.
person.
That is
Yeah,
ridiculous. I'm not.
ridiculous.
No, that is
Yeah,
that
but
pathetic.
yeah,
Pathetic.
I have been in deep love, and I am in love. It doesn't mean if you are loving somebody you have to marry her.
No,
No, so not at all. So of course I have been. Your question is that have you fallen in love? Yes, I have been in love. I am in love, but it is
I
not
meant
necessary that I'm going to
like
marry.
we were talking about marriage, so I meant just for about a girl.
Hmm. Yes, I have been.
Okay, that's great. So what if your parents will force you to get married? Then,
I never allowed my parents to interfere in my life.
mm,
Okay.
really?
Yeah, really, because I love them. It is not matter that I do not love them, but I told him that you have to not interfere in my life. I am sensible enough to live my own life. Okay, you should just love me, yeah, care me. I will love you, care you, but I'm not going to tell my parents something to do. Okay, so they have to not bother me about my marriage. Okay, they ask me sometimes about proposal. I just tell them I don't want to marry now. Just that is matter.
Okay, that's crazy. And so
So what
tomorrow
is
I.
your plan? Yeah,
Hmm?
tomorrow. What
What?
is your plan for old age? What are
My
you
plan
planning for old age?
is
Yeah.
okay. It's a reverse question. You are asking me back. Okay, so uh, I think a lot about my old age actually. Yeah, this is true. And I would be a kind of older lady. I don't want to interrupt my children, my child. Okay, in his life, I would like to let him free. If there would be a situation, I would just stay away from my child. Yeah, I would like to stay away from his life. And I would love if I stay away from his life because I know that sometimes it becomes very critical situation and it becomes very problematic for to cope up with the generation sometimes. So it
Mhm.
would be better to stay away.
I can understand. Of course, you
And
are sensible.